So, how did we start? It was like, hey Brent, have you ever had sex with a virgin?
And you were like, no,
plenty of times.
No, oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what? What?
What?
No, I haven't.
What?
No, I haven't.
No, maybe Brent's a virgin.
Yeah, right. Like he's a virgin.
The only virgin in the band's Cameron. But you know, like all these girls are all over his profile, you know?
Yeah, he could probably have his pick from whoever he wanted.
I don't know.
I don't know.
They probably just have sex with him to get closer to the members of the band.
Dude, which one of us does she really want?
She might have mentioned Zach a couple times.
And then my phone was gone for 30 minutes, man. You might want to change your number. You mean she got past the passcode?
Dude, bro, it's so easy. Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Incoming text from your stalker.
Dude, bro, just change your number.
I thought about you last night.
With or without Brent?
How old are you? 16. Oh.
Negative, Captain.
I've got to go die now. Can you send me pictures first? No one has to know, baby. Just you and me. This conversation never happened.
Miley
Yeah.
Cyrus?
Hi, my name is Zachary Porter, and I need to change my number and get all of my history
Ring, ring,
deleted.
ring. Ring, ring, ring. Why is he not picking up the phone?
Hello!
Hi, is this Zach?
No, this is Kamika.
What?
Kamika.
Oh, I can do that too. I can do that too. Anything you like, we do for you.
I think I could have my heritage.
Sig Dynamo, Sig Dynamo.
Excuse me?
Sig Dynamo, Sig Dynamo.
I'm not okay with this.
You
Stop calling me Zachary!
You have
God damn it, I want pie!
Oh, tubby, tubby, tubby.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Get yourself out your seat. Oh, oh.
Is that how you sound? No, okay, I gotta stop.
More tired for the rider. I love my twins.
I love my twin.
Jimmy Jacob Bobs.
Oh man.
Bye, Brentala.
Bye.